To make a man love you deeply and become inseparable from you, focus on embodying 4 key roles in his life. These roles cater to his varied desires and needs, creating an irreplaceable bond. When you master all 4, no external distractions will sway his devotion. You'll offer him a richness of experience no other woman can match, ensuring he remains steadfastly yours. It is the negotiating role. This is not for you to set rules for him every day and ask him to do this and that, but to not encourage you when you encounter problems. You dare to express your heart, and you dare to express it accurately, with high emotional intelligence, instead of making trouble and making trouble. For example, if you think he is too ambiguous in chatting with a female colleague, you can speak out generously and show your position and attitude. You can say this: "I think the behavior between you is already a little ambiguous. For me, what I feel is a sense of hurt and insecurity." You can say that I think too much or too little, but I don't think there should be anyone's ideal. Love does not pay attention to the sense of boundaries. If there is, then you can find such a person. It's just that I hope that as long as we are still together, we will avoid this kind of harm. Otherwise, it will be my feelings for you that will be lost. This kind of thing is to express your feelings calmly. If you are submissive and weird, he feels that your aura is very weak, but you express your feelings so confidently that if you don't give the order to die, he will reflect on it by himself, and then correct it by yourself. If you dare not say anything in this regard, and you don't know how to do it, you can come and be my student and learn from me. Any well-loved woman, she does not rely on making trouble to accomplish her purpose, she must have the skills to speak. Want deeper training or my consultation? Join my program. I can guide you. Many of my clients have transformed their relationships this way.